natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we see the same action, positive MACD, and we're still off of overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. In my position size for it's less than 1% of my portfolio, my long entry is at $17.63, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $19.63. My stop loss is at $17.27. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.83, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $18.03. My stop loss is at $22.12. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, natural gas has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 8%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 8 to negative 16%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.